Hello and welcome to Saras's classes. Today we are going to solve some of the questions from listening ability. Basically, this is a question from these are the questions from sitting arrangement. In this type of questions, we are given a scenario, and based on the scenario, we are to draw a arrangement of some people sitting in a table or somewhere else, or in a round table, etc. And from that scenario, we need to answer some of the questions. As we know that reasoning ability is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and it is most hardest portion also, as it contains the most conceptual complexity in it. So rigorous practice enables you to score high in this portion. Okay, so let's start with the problem. 10 persons J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T are sitting in two rows with 5 persons in each row. Okay, the persons in row 1 are facing south and the person in row 2 are facing north. Each person in row 1 faces a person from the other row. All of them like a different soft drinks. Visualize Sprite, Slice, Pepsi, Mazza, Fanta, Mirinda, Limca, 7 Up, Nimbus, Cola, and etc. But Nimbus and Cola, but not necessarily in the same order. The person who like Fanta and Mirinda sit opposite each other. Now let's try to visualize this. We have two seats, and in each seat we have 5 members. Okay, in the first seat the people are facing south, and in the second one the people are facing north. Okay, the person who like Fanta and Mirinda sit opposite to each other. Let's note down it. Fanta and Mirinda are sitting opposite to each other. P sits opposite to J. Suppose this is P and this is J, and J likes Sprite. Okay, now the one who likes Slice sit opposite the one who likes 7 Up. Suppose the one who likes Slice be seated in this position, therefore the opposite position's person must like 7 Up. Okay, now T is not facing north but sits third to the left of Q. Suppose this is Q, therefore T must be seated in this position. Is not facing north but sits third to the left of Q, as Q uh, who likes Slice. Okay, there is only one person between K and L. There is only one person between K and L, and N sits at one of the ends of the row and likes Mirinda. Suppose this is K and L, therefore there is only one person who is J, and N sitting in a side of any row, and N likes Mirinda. Okay, The one who likes 7 Up is on the immediate right of M. Therefore, as we know that K likes 7 Up, therefore M's uh, position will be the side of the second. And M doesn't like cola. So point it out that M doesn't like cola. Okay. The person who like Pepsi and Maaza respectively are not facing north. Note it down that the person like Pepsi and Maaza are not facing uh, north, therefore they are facing south. Okay. A likes Limca. The one who likes Maaza sits opposite the one who is second to the right of K. L likes Limca. L likes Limca and the one who likes Maaza sits opposite the one who is second to the right of K. Okay. Therefore, the one who likes Maaza must be seated in this position. Okay. Ace does not like cola. Let's point it down. It also doesn't like cola. N sits opposite the one who sits second to the left of the one who likes Pepsi. Now, suppose uh, N is opposite to the one who sits second to the left of the one who likes Pepsi. As in this position, the one who seated is like cola, and there are only two positions left. One is P and another one is the side of the first row. As N is sitting opposite to T and second to the left of P is T, therefore it must be that P likes Pepsi. Okay, so P likes Pepsi. Now only two of the seats are vacant and only two of the persons who are left, they are R and S. Okay. Now S doesn't like cola, therefore we can place S in this position. M also doesn't like cola, so therefore there is only one drink is left, and sorry, there is only two drinks which are left. They are Nimbus and Fanta. Nimbus and Fanta. Therefore, we can place Nimbus in this position and Fanta in this position. And if we place R, so he or she must be like cola, as M is also doesn't like cola. Okay, and these points are also satisfies that Fanta and Mirinda are opposite to each other. This is Fanta and this is Mirinda, therefore they are opposite to each other. And Pepsi and Maaza, they are south facing. Pepsi and Maaza, they are south facing. Okay, so let me draw this arrangement to a clearer way. These are the two sets with 5 in each of them. and we place R, Q, P, S, T. Here we have M, K, J, L, N. This is facing south and this is facing north. Okay, and R likes cola, Q likes slice, P likes Pepsi, S likes Mazda, T likes Fanta, M likes Nimbus, K likes 7 Up, J likes Sprite, L likes Limca, and lastly N likes Mirinda. Okay, now let's start with the first question, that who among the following likes cola? And the right answer is R. Who among the following sit at the extreme ends of the rows and are facing south? As from the picture we can see that R and T are the extreme members of the row which is facing south. Therefore option 4 is the correct answer. How many persons sit between M and N? There are 3 persons who are sitting between M and N. Therefore the option 3 is correct. K likes which of the following soft drink? K liked 7 Up. Therefore option 2 is correct. Now which of the following statement is or are true? R likes cola and sits at one of the ends of the row. The statement 1 is true. P is the immediate neighbor of Q and the person who likes Fanta. This is a false statement, as we can see that P is neighbor of the persons who like slice or maza. Therefore this is a false statement. The one who likes Limca sits on the immediate left of the one who likes Mirinda. Limca and Mirinda. But the one who likes Limca sits on the immediate left of the one who like Mirinda. This is a correct statement. Hence this is true. 1 and 3 are true. Yes, this is also true. None of the above. This is false. Therefore 1, 3 and 4 is true. Okay. So that's all for today. And if you want to know more about such questions and more about reasoning ability in all, then you can join our classes. Feel free to WhatsApp us at these two numbers 9836793076 or 987488222756. And for further details, you can check our website also, which is www.saurasclasses.com. So thank you very much.